Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Want to keep your Facebook profile private? Locking your profile is a great way to ensure only your friends can see your posts, photos, and stories. In this video, I will walk you through the simple steps of officially locking your Facebook profile, giving you control over who sees your information. Let's go. When a Facebook user locks their profile, it limits what people who aren't their friends can see. Only friends can view their photos, posts, stories, and the full-size image of their profile and cover photos. Also, all previous public posts will switch to being visible to friends only, and reviews for tags and profiles will be activated. Plus, only some of their personal details will be shown to the public. Essentially, locking a profile is a way for users to control their privacy and decide who gets to see their content on Facebook. To do this, start by opening the Facebook app. Look for the three-line menu or settings option. Scroll down, which should lead you to the profile locking feature. Once you find it, a simple tap or click will prompt you to confirm your action to lock your profile. Remember, while your profile is locked, people can still search for you, send friend requests, and message you, but your detailed profile information remains private to non-friends. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.